Are you looking for the best outdoor lighting? In this video we will look at some of the best outdoor lighting on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Decor Wall Light LED Outdoor Lamp. This wall lamp allows for free replacement of bulbs, allowing DIY to install different bulbs according to your preferences. Easy to install, this modern American-style light can be installed in just a few minutes, and we will provide you with a small packaging for installing this light in black. This type of lamp is waterproof and provides excellent heat resistance, impact resistance, low temperature resistance, and chemical resistance. Therefore, this type of lamp is very suitable for various general weather conditions. There is no problem installing it outside. This LED wall lamp is the ideal choice for indoor and outdoor use, such as living room, bedroom, children's room, dining room, kitchen, stairs, corridors, gardens, courtyards, doorways, and terraces. They are widely used in our lives under many conditions. The lamp body of this LED wall lamp is made of advanced PVC material by die casting to ensure its service life. Input 110 volts to 240 volts. We also offer a 2-year warranty. No matter what problem this type of lamp has, please feel free to contact us and we will solve it as soon as possible. Number 2. Powerful Split Solar Street Light. Solar battery charging, zero charging, easy installation, without wires. High brightness LED lamp beads, green and energy saving. High quality batteries, long service life, large capacity. Aluminium, PVC alloy body, prevent bark in rain. Super strong infrared remote control receiving. IP65 waterproof. 8 meters distance wireless remote control. Polycrystalline solar panel convert solar energy into electricity, more environmentally friendly. Number 3. 4400 mAh rechargeable work light. This portable work light features 3 floodlights, including 2 adjustable side lights that can freely rotate 180 degrees and a foldable floodlight that rotates 180 degrees vertically and 360 degrees horizontally, providing omnidirectional lighting for your workspace. With its compact design, this versatile LED work light is easy to transport and ideal for any task. Get reliable and flexible lighting in any environment with this portable LED work light. This cob LED work light has 5 ultra bright cob LEDs with a total of 25 watts power and 2700 lumens of brightness. It offers 5 light modes that are easy to control with just one button, and features a unique automatic reset function for easy power-on control of individual lights. With its superior brightness and versatility, this work light is perfect for any workspace, allowing you to tackle any job with ease. This battery work light offers long-lasting performance and practicality. Its 4400 mAh rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 7 hours of illumination, and it also functions as a power bank to charge mobile devices during emergencies or power outages. With its robust construction and versatile functionality, this cordless work light is an essential tool for reliable lighting and backup power in any workspace. Number 4. Outdoor Wall Lamp. Made of stainless steel and acrylic, with a simple and elegant appearance, suitable for a variety of outdoor scenes. 2 size options are provided to meet lighting scenarios with different needs. Warm light and white light are provided to meet personalized lighting needs. Suitable for outdoor environments, able to resist train erosion and maintain stable performance. Use the common E27 screw light source, easy to replace.